Hi everybody, my name is Blyssey Ballo and I'm entering the 2019-2020 Skin Games competition under the new Esthetician category. I am a California licensed esthetician and I have my model here, Beata Berry, who's going to participate with me over the next 8 weeks. She has oily skin with larger pores, so we're really going to focus on controlling the oil production, the overall appearance of her pores, and skin textures through different treatments. We're going to be doing one of my favorites, Rezenerate, and we're also doing some microneedle and different chemical peels. We're going to be focusing on ingredients that turn over the skin to leave her with a nice glow that promote collagen and elastin production. So we're going to focus on CBD, lactic for hydration, glycolic for turnover, and we're also going to be including some mandelic for her oily skin in addition to more. So keep a close eye on us as I will be uploading videos weekly for the next 8 weeks, and I look forward to you all seeing her transformation. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
This treatment right here is the Rezenerate Nano Infusion Facial. It uses nanopyramids to create microchannels in the skin that help penetrate your favorite serum deeper into the epidermis. Here I am using a blend of hyaluronic acid and CBD serum. Hyaluronic acid binds moisture 1,000 times better than water, so it's great for all skin types, including oily, because they do need a good oil-water balance. CBD has shown that it improves inflammation and helps calm the skin down. It also has antioxidant properties to prevent free radicals, which cause wrinkles and damage to the skin, in addition to balancing the oil production that oily skin needs to get under control.